Most people trying to become YouTube content creators give up because they feel they don't have enough views. But the truth is, posting can completely change your life, even if nobody's watching. Here's the thing, YouTube isn't just about views. It's a mirror, a training ground, and a gateway to your dream life. If you give up on your YouTube dream, you'll never step into your voice, your purpose, or the abundance waiting for you. You clicking on this video shows me that you really want this with your heart and soul. So don't give up on that dream. By the end of this video, you'll see why posting on YouTube is one of the most powerful spiritual and practical decisions that you can make in your life, even before you've made any views. When I first started posting, it felt like talking to a wall because I was not one of those YouTubers who grow big overnight. It happened over time, but I am so glad that I persisted because YouTube really helped me find my voice. It helped improve my confidence, me claiming space and telling the world I have something important to share. And that's been huge for me. It also has helped me earn passive income, so much that I haven't needed a job for over 8 years. I can take months off to travel the world because I make money on autopilot. And this is all thanks to YouTube. And most people never even start because they're afraid of looking silly or wasting time if they don't get instant results. But I know that that will not be you. And here is why. 3 strong reasons why you should be on YouTube even if you're not getting views. Reason number 1 is because it's training. Imagine if your channel blew up overnight. Like, that would be terrifying for me. I'd much rather have a slow, consistent build. This way you get lots of practice in. So by the time you have a big audience, you feel more confident. You have time to sharpen your message, get comfortable on camera, and also get clear on your niche. Because with every video you post, it becomes more and more clear to you what was fun creating, what got more views, and video by video, your niche is shaped. So I dare you to post a short video this week and take messy action. It does not have to be a perfect video. The growth happens in the doing. Type in the comments to claim, I am ready to show up. Reason number 2 is invisible seeds. I went months with barely any views and I felt like the videos didn't have impact. But later, people told me that those early videos changed their lives. Seeds were growing even when I couldn't see them. Let's say you posted a video and it got 100 views. You might think like, oh, this was a waste of time, barely anybody saw it. But imagine now if there was a room of 100 people and you just held a presentation. That is huge. That is a big stage. And imagine if 30 of these people took action on what you said and it changed their life for the better. And it becomes like a ripple effect. Then they will help others and others and others just from this video that had 100 views. Energy doesn't disappear. The words you put out ripple in ways you may never know. So stop focusing on the numbers, on the stats, and only focus on the output, as in, did I post a video this week? And if you did, celebrate that rather than celebrating how many views a video got. And before we jump into point 3, if you want to learn my 4-step method to turning your passion into a business and create true freedom through content creation without any experience or audience, then check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment on YouTube. Reason number 3 why you should post on YouTube even if it gets no views is time for money alchemy. Those first invisible videos turned into affiliate income for me, and years later I'm still making money from content I posted 5 years ago. That's time for money alchemy. So all you gotta do is join one affiliate program for a product in your niche that you can recommend to people, and when they click on it in the description, you will get a commission. So start doing that already now, because as you blow up, as you grow in following, people are gonna look at your older videos as well. And same with ad revenue. That means that these older videos will also get ad revenue, even if you're not monetized on YouTube yet. YouTube is one of the only platforms where your old content keeps working for you, compounding like interest. So imagine if you post that one video that I urged you to post earlier, in 5 years, you could still be earning money from that YouTube video. How crazy is that? That is the power of starting now. Don't underestimate the long game. This is how freedom is built. And if you want to learn how to turn YouTube into a spiritual business that gives you freedom and abundance, then check out my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Link in the description or somewhere around here. Love you and see you in the next video.